Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on two-step verification on YouTube. So in order for this to work out, you're going to see that YouTube and Google are actually connected. So whenever you change the settings on YouTube, your Google will be synced with the YouTube because they are already connected, right? So if you want to turn on the two-step verification, you won't be able to do it on YouTube, but you can do it on your own YouTube account on Google because they are both linked, as I mentioned before. So I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on my avatar icon at the top right, and from here I'm gonna just go ahead and click manage your Google account, right? And this is my account on YouTube via or linked to my Google account from YouTube to Google. Now, as you can see right here, this is my my Google managing app basically settings. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see right here the highlighted words. I'm gonna swipe right. Okay, I'm gonna swipe left. Sorry, and you're gonna see right here security. Click on it, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down. In here you're gonna see how you sign in to Google. If you scroll a little bit down, you're gonna see two-step verification. Go ahead and click on it, right? And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just enter my password to confirm that that's me who's doing all those steps, right? And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just wait it out. And here you're gonna see turn off the two-step verification, leave it out, scroll a little bit down. You can have more than one option to actually add the two-step verification: passkeys and security keys, Google prompt or authenticator, phone number, or backup codes right here. So if you want to use the authenticator, just go ahead, as we mentioned before, click on it and then set up the authenticator, and you're gonna receive a barcode right here. And I'm gonna go back to my screen and go ahead to my App Store, Google Play, and I'm gonna just go ahead and search for authenticator app, basically download it, and this is inclusive for all the social media apps, including YouTube and Google. All right, so I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and I'm gonna take a screenshot of that barcode, and I'm gonna scan it onto my authenticator app, hit next, enter the code that's been given to you by the authenticator app, and basically after you enter it, click verify. Now whenever you do an action on Google, YouTube, whenever you log in from another device, they will ask you for your authentication code, which you can find it on your basically on your authenticator app. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.